Hello, good morning. Okay, so a quick one: how to make some cool money with EOS. Alright, so this is one of my EOS accounts. Now the name of this app is EOS Links. That's the name of the app. So once you download the app, you register, try to get your private keys, and if you have your private keys already, just enter your private key, and you're good to go. But without your private key, you can register. I think you have to pay with your ATM card or so. But if you can do that, just contact me. I'll help you with the whole process. Get you an account. Okay. This is a game. It's a betting game, so you just have to be careful. But let's see how it works, right? So you click dApps. I have several EOS accounts, so that's why you see this here. I have like 6 EOS accounts, but I want to use this other account. So my network plays a huge role here. How quickly this loads depends on your network. So you click dApps. Now this is a dApp that has been linked to this app. So you click Dice, then put in your, so that will load. Then your username will show on top. Um, all you just have to do is but I'll get you a link to register for this game, right? So how to play the game is very easy. Now remember to start with something small. So you put in what I have in this account. I have 4 EOS, so that will be, I'll start with 0.1. So I'm typing 0.1 here. Now forget about this place, right? So just type in what you want to use. Now this will be the payout here. That means I'll make 0.0999. So the 999 on top is what I'll gain. Alright, so now 50% roll under 50. Payout is 2 times. Win chance is 49%. Now let me explain. Now you're rolling a dice. Once you click this blue roll dice, it means you've actually rolled the dice. Now as it is right now, you can see this line is at 50. Now if you put it here, the green part is 46 and the red part is and this other part is we have the green part or the red part. Okay, let's put it that way. And the line is at 46. Now what this thing means is you're telling the system that once I roll this dice, the number that will come out will be less than 46. That is what it means. If I put it here, you're telling the system that once I roll this dice, I will have a number, a random number that is less, and the dice stops rolling. By the time the dice stops rolling, you will get a number that is less than 91. I think you can get up to 96. 96, that's the highest it can go. Now, let me just show you. So if I click this, you notice once mainly I brought it up to 96, my gain, my payouts reduced to from 0.1999 to 0.031, meaning there is a more chance of the dice getting a number less than 96. I hope you guys understand. So as you can see, win chance is 95%. So that means the risk is minimum at this point. I don't want this video to be too long. 4%. 4 minutes rather. So if I click roll dice, I might likely win because it's at 96, but it's not a guarantee. Alright. So let's see. It's rolling. I won. Meaning the number that was generated This is my receipt from EOS authority, meaning the number that generated was less than 96. Now let me, if you want to risk, now let's use the 0.3. Okay, let's use 3.021. Now it is not a guarantee, so I always advise people to if you win, play with what you won, right? So 0.1, we're using 0.1 again. Now remember, our total balance is 4.3021. I have a 95% chance of getting a number that is less than 96. Roll under is 96, payout is 1.03, win chance is 95. So what that statement means is you have a 95% chance of getting a number that is less than 96. Now remember, there is another 5%. So that 5% means you could lose. So I'm rolling the dice, accept. And I won again. So it has increased to 4.302. So that's how to play the game. Um, Now the rule of betting. I'm not used to betting, but I think the rule should be don't be too greedy, because there's a 5% chance of you losing. So don't risk more than you can lose. Um, I can just keep going with my 0.1. So if I keep rolling and getting 0.31, how many 0.31 can I roll? Let's say in 24 hours. Let's assume I win 95% of those 0 points. 95%. So, and I have 100 rolls in 1 hour. So let's go to our calculator. This would be 100 rolls times 0.031. I'll give 3 EOS. So if you can roll 100 times, if you can get 100 times of what you roll, you can make 3 EOS in a day. All right, so basically that's how it works. It's actually very simple, and make sure you're, instead of chats and having unnecessary chats, you can actually do this and make some money for yourself. All right, so it's early in the morning right now. My face is a bit swollen. I don't know why. Or maybe I'm getting fat. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. So check in the description below to register. You can also use this on your laptop. If you have Scatter, you can use Scatter, but you can use this on a mobile phone with EOS links. If you have any questions or difficulties, you just let me know. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends if you think it's informative enough. Alright, good morning, have a nice day.